Have you ever wanted to access your favorite websites with just a single click? Well, you're in luck. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to add shortcuts in Google Chrome. Let's start, shall we? First, you have to turn on shortcuts. To do that, open the Chrome browser on your computer. Once you are on the home page, click the Customize Chrome button from the lower right corner of the screen. Next, scroll down a little and come to the Shortcuts section. From this section, toggle on Show Shortcuts. After that, select My Shortcuts from here. Then close the Customize Feature panel. Now, on the home page, you will find the Add Shortcut button. Hit that. Then enter the name of the shortcut, preferably the site's name, in the first field. And then enter the site's URL or link in the next field. Lastly, hit the Done button, and you will find that website's shortcut on your home page. So that's how to add a shortcut in Google Chrome on your computer. If the video helped you out, smash that like button. Hungry for more Chrome browser related tips and tricks? Just subscribe to the channel because I've got tons more coming. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.